Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this portal with this aurora effect around it. We'll start out on the edit page. Go to the media pool, right click, new fusion comp. You can name it if you want, but you don't have to. And leave it on 5 seconds. And go to fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I cannot use my hands and arms. That is why it's up there on the screen in the way. Get a background. Plug it into the media out. You should have a black screen. We can go to one viewer for this. With the background selected, get a Mac control, ellipse. To plug the ellipse into the Mac control, right click on the output of the ellipse, take it down to the Mac control, let go, and put it in the garbage mat. Now you should have a mask. And to keep it symmetrical, we'll go ahead and make an expression and connect the two. Right now they move independently. Right click on the width, expression, grab the pick whip from the plus sign, take it over the height and let go. I'm going to set mine on 0.3 for the default settings. Now right click on the ellipse, copy, click away right here, right click and paste instance. If you don't know what an instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you've taken it off from. The little green line indicates it's connected. And everything in the inspector that's highlighted in green, or even if it's not highlighted in green, like the invert and the solid, it means it's still coupled to the original node. So if you change a value in one, it'll change it in both. We're going to come back and de-instance the solid, but I want to wait to show you why. Get another background. Merge the background into the Mac control. It'll make a merge. Now we'll go back to the instance. If you look in the viewer, we no longer have a mask. So we'll right click on the solid and de-instance. Uncheck it. And you should now have your mask back. Go to the border width of either the instance or the ellipse, don't matter, because they're connected. Change the border width to 0.004, or to your liking. Now go to the background 2, pick a default color for the ellipse. I like yellow. With the background 2 selected, shift space and raise. Just a regular raise, not the light raise. With that selected, I'm going to take my exposure all the way up. All these will be in the macro for the edit page later, so you can always change them. And the weight, I'm going to change to 3.5. Make a little room. And get a transform. Hover it over like that. When it changes colors to blue and yellow, you can let go. It'll automatically connect. Now we're going to make a copy of that. So right click on it. Copy. Click away right about here. Right click and paste instance. Go to the background 2. Color type, change it to gradient. I'm going to add just 4 colors. Red will be the first one. Then click about a quarter of the way down. Click again about 3/4 of the way down. And click on the last one. I'm on a 30 FPS. Make sure your playhead is on frame 0. You can tell that by right here. Set a keyframe on the offset. Take your playhead all the way to the end. And set the offset to 1.0. And then select ping pong. With that background selected, go to your spline. If your spline's covered, little button up here says shrink. Select that. Zoom to fit. Select all. And set relative. Set relative allows you to stretch it on a timeline to any length you want. Close your spline. Give it a play. Make sure we're looking good. I don't really want to see the ellipse ring, so I'm going to change mine, but that option will be in the macro. Go to the raise and deselect the merge over. Now you'll see the ring is on the backside. Okay, we're ready to make the macro. Let's name a couple of these nodes first. Change this one to controls. Change this one to Aurora colors. If you put an underscore under here, it'll leave a gap between it then. We do want to take it out of gradient, put it on solid color, or this will stay open in the macro. Okay, we're ready to make the macro. Click away, make sure nothing's selected. Hold the control button down. Select these in the order that I do. Hit A on the keyboard. Keep the control button down. Deselect the media out. Right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. Change height to size. Go to File. Save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Generators. Here is where you're going to want to make your folder to put your preset in. Once again, do not name it exactly the same or Resolve won't recognize it. So put an underscore or something in, make it different. Now we'll go find it. If you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. Don't forget, it'll be in generators. I have my clip under it. And if you click on it, you have everything in Inspector. Soften the edge. I'm not going to waste any time on this. You guys can play around with it. And you can always change the colors whatever you like. There you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.